Let me break this down. We've been told it's judicial custody that has been given for possibly we're going to recheck this with our lawyers, but we've been told by our colleagues in court what they've been able to understand prima facie. The judge has given judicial custody for 14 days of Arnab Goswami. So let's break that down for our viewers. We've been told to keep our bail paper. Arnab has been told to keep the bail papers ready. And as this is coming, the breaking news coming is judicial custody has been given. We're going to try and see what happens now, but 14 days of judicial custody is what we are being told. Viewers, on some level, I am relieved because I was being told about what the police had planned for the next few days. But keeping that aside, let me tell you, and keeping with the legal views, and Sagrika, you can also take this to our guests as the news keeps coming in right now. Judicial custody has been given for 14 days. Our lawyer today, Abad Ponda, very valiant in the courtroom when he argued today. However, bail has not been given. We are still going to be moving the Bombay High Court tomorrow and the Supreme Court. Doors are going to be knocked by us because of the torture that happened. But the news that's just come in, judicial custody for 14 days of Arnab Goswami has been given.
Absolutely. Rhythm is breaking down the details and she's tracking all the developments that are coming in from the court. Savio, Ratan Sharda and Shubhrashta continue to stay with us. Rhythm says, as someone who's been following the case very, very closely, that this comes as a sense of relief. In fact, Arnab right now has been asked to keep his bail papers ready. Savio, how do you look at this development? Especially when we knew that the police was trying to get 14-day custody of Arnab after the way they treated him today.
Well, I can say for a start that I'm relieved that it is judicial custody and not police custody.
Yes, go ahead, Savio.
And at this point of time, all I can say is that the prayers of the people of India are with Arnab and the Republic team.
Right.
And that tomorrow when we go to High Court and we keep the bail papers
Savio, I'm
ready.
really sorry to interrupt you, but because this is a breaking news development that's just coming in, Rhythm has broken down the details. Niranjan is joining us live from the court in Alibag. Niranjan, news just coming in. Arnab has been remanded to 14-day judicial custody. He's been asked to keep his bail papers ready. Okay, we've just lost Niranjan, but these are some live pictures that are also coming in from Niranjan's frame. We've seen a sort of fortification that took place through the day. There were police in riot gear who were present outside both the court and outside the court and outside the police station. These are pictures from earlier today when Arnab, he walked out of the police van. That time he didn't have, and remember through the day, Arnab has been barefoot because the police did not even show the basic courtesy to allow Arnab to wear his shoes. When he cooperated with them, when he told them he will come, this is what the police did. So even right now, as he's remanded to judicial custody, lawyers have said in court that what the police did was malified.